Hi and welcome to another video from Project Build, and today I was fixing up a parapet wall where the copings were leaking quite badly. You can see here that the mortar had gone very badly in between the copings, so it was no wonder it was leaking. It could have been fixed, but it was easier and a longer term solution just to put neat flashings over the top. You can see here I'm using 3x2 treated timber, and I'm attaching that to the copings with concrete screws. I had a wee bit of an issue at this particular concrete screw. It must have been catching something, rebar or something, because it wouldn't go in, but an extra go with the drill seemed to clear it. Once those were solid, I then moved on to just above the gutter, and you can see me putting in some short timbers there. Back in the workshop you can see that I have the flashing which had been made up, and I'm making marks at 10 centimeters in. This is a close-up view just to show where the mark is. I then take the nibbler and at a 45-degree angle cut in up to the 10 centimeter mark, taking care not to go any further than the mark. I then go to the other side and do exactly the same. If you don't get too dizzy with this, you'll be able to see a close-up on either side. And then up on the roof, you can see how it's going to come together. With a bit of effort, I managed to slide it up underneath. It's not too easy with 3-meter sections of flashing when you're on your own in a sloped roof. By pulling it up and down a wee bit, I was able to find the sweet spot where it drops in nicely. And you just want the hole to, or the cut to be covered in no more. And you can see how neatly it sits in. It would sit up quite significantly if you want to make those two cuts with the nibbler. I then screwed it down to make sure that it was held in place. And I repeated the process for shorter flashing to do the bottom section of the slope. The same was also done for the horizontal section down near the gutter. And then on the sides, to save them flapping around and not looking particularly neat, I stitched them together with stitches, I call them. They're sort of aggressively cut tech screws. You now enjoy me trying to cut this with a jigsaw, which isn't the best tool for the job, but it was what I had up there. I then used the Hilti GX3, which allowed me to nail these straight into the wall, which was a bit of a time saver. And then these were actually second-hand flashings that I used underneath. They had some holes in them, so I made sure just to put some stitches through in the same spots that the holes had been to neaten things up. And that's a finished job. Thanks for watching.